What's going on, legends? We're out again. No green beans this time. Yeah, she's not good. I'll do a rundown next week, but I'm going to do a whole revamp of that vehicle. Everything's going to get done on it. Today, taking the yaks out with stranger. Nah, Ben. Yeah, we're out again. We're going to yak for some Murray Cod. So I won't do too much talking. Let's get the yaks in there. Let's catch some fish. Let's go. Let's go. Look at you and your fancy pedal. Gotta take it the other way. This is the first time he's using his kayak. Is this the first time you've been kayaking? Oh yes, it's first time being going kayaking. Hopefully you don't roll that then. Oh, you did a bit of kayaking last week in last week's episode. Alright, anyway, let's head over there. We're gonna flick some lures around. For now, I've gone that trusty pink diving lure. Looks like a redfin, so I'll trawl that until we get over there, and then I'll change to a different lure, a trusty lure. I've also bought little frog. It's a surface lure. Yeah, I want to try and get something on the surface. Let's see how we go. Come on, we've got a couple of hours. Let's get over there. You alright, bro? Yo, alright, this is the spot. I'm going to kind of be quiet because Cod gets spooked quite easily. But yeah, I'm going to change over my lure and yeah, let's get flicking for some big cod. Ben did just get a hook up whilst he was trawling over, but he was too busy playing with himself and he missed it. But yeah, he'll learn. Alright, he's just getting his yak sorted and then we'll go. We'll try that later. Floats. So we'll try that later. But for now, let's get one in the kayak and let's go with Old Faithful. That worked last time, so let's go with it again. I've still got your skizzers here. And he's got one. Oh, give me a bit of carry. I'm gonna watch that leader. Yes, buddy. It's real biting down on my finger. Oh, it just covered me. Yes! Yes! Alright, 1-0. We got one. That was my second cast in that area there. But we've drifted right up to these ropes here. So I'm going to go back to where we were and then let the wind drift me back again. So yeah, old Benny boys, no luck yet. So we have just started. And we're going to head that way. Let's go. Yes, it's the next toy. For sure it's the next toy. It will step the fishing up, knowing my hands are free. And I can just fish the whole time at the moment. Obviously I have to paddle. I mean, I can't really fish, only trawl. But yeah, quick break and get back at it. Yo, alright, so nothing so far other than that, just that one right at the start. I've been drifting back and forth. I've had quite a few casts now. I might change some lures up. Benny boy's gone for a few different lures now. Unfortunately lost a cattle. But yeah, the wind keeps blowing me into this rock, so all of these rocks along here, so I'm thinking I might just perch myself on these rocks, just in the kayak, you're not allowed up there, and yeah, cast out. Oh, it's raining, it's not ideal, but let's see if we can get one. I saw that take. Good work, bro. Nice. You're almost stationary. Just gonna use in the net, bro. Over the net, bro. Nice. It's 2 fish. I saw that one. He was messing around with the kayak, and as he was messing around, I saw his rod buckle. Yes. Lovely. Coming out, yeah, you're good. He's in the net. Oh dear. Get back to your hole. He's running. Sorry, bro. He's come back. He's underneath the deck. In the yak, one apiece. It's the Loch Ness Monster. Alright guys, that's us done today. I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to get the kayak out. This place closes at 8, which is a bit of a shame. But yeah, we got one each, which is quite nice. Ben hooked a couple. I had 1 or 2 notches, but yeah, it was pretty quiet actually. As soon as we come in, these guys have got one on cheese, but yeah, I'm not going to lie, it's a bit cold. But yeah, you know the score. Like, subscribe, keep the beaches and the lakes clean. Ciao for now.